So we're up here at Tallahassee Harley Davidson. All right, here we are at the Harley place. So we're fixing to do a thing. Look at the bike. Harley Low Rider S. Very cool. Tallahassee Harley Davidson. These guys will treat you right. Y'all come up here and deal with them. All right, so rode the bike to the house, got home, had to do a little bit of adjustment right here, adjust this down some so it would fit me a little bit better, just the way I like to ride. But no, here's the bike. So 2022 Low Rider S. You can see you've got the drop H right there. This also has the 117 engine. If you look on my other bike, it's got a 114. Not too much difference, but this is a little bit bigger engine, a little bit more torque, a little bit more horsepower. I got the black one. I got some mods planned for. You got, if you look, it's got the bronze wheels. So, you know, it's got quite a few little things on it. I'm probably going to end up changing some things on it to make it fit me a little bit better. Again, you know, I'm kind of a bigger, taller guy, so a couple of the things that I will end up changing is the risers. Now the bars I don't have a problem with, but the risers, it's too low. It makes me reach down too far and kind of hunch over some, just because of my build. So I'm gonna look at probably putting an 8 or 10 inch riser, bringing all this up, and go from there. I will end up changing the seat. I do like my San Diego Customs Saddleman seat on this bike, so I'll probably end up putting something very similar on this one. You know, but really that's that. If you listen to the two bikes, this bike here is quiet like a sewing machine, but that's basically all Harleys, all new Harleys are like that. They're quiet. So I will be changing that out. I'll be changing the foot pegs out, doing a few things, got some mods planned. But as I go, one thing that I will end up doing, if you look right here, the blinkers, they almost look like the cross-eyed just a little bit. So I'll end up doing something with that, figuring out how to adjust it to where they're looking out more like they should. But again, that's the stock setup at the moment, and I will be doing something different. But y'all be on the lookout. Again, 2022 Low Rider S. Y'all go up there, talk with Sawyer or John about at Tallahassee Harley Davidson. Great group of guys to work with. They work with me quite a bit on the bike. I felt like they gave me a really good deal on the bike, so not going to complain there. As you see, it's a black on black. I could have got the gray one. They had it up there, but again, as you can tell, you look out there, I got a dark gray truck. I got a black 4Runner. That's my wife's. I got these two black beauties here. So, you know, right now this is what I'm going to be running, and see what kind of mods and stuff like that. I've already got my eye on a few things. I'm not sure how well I like this sticking out. I did bump my shin on it a couple times. Maybe that's just me getting used to it. Once I get the bike set up, I'll decide whether I keep that or maybe I change it out for something different. But right now, that's what it is. So, all right, everyone. So y'all be on the lookout for a lot of new mods coming, and some hopefully some really good little adventures on the two bikes. So that's my two bikes right there. 2022 Harley Low Rider S and a 2021 Road Glide Special. So that's my two bikes, and we'll see. Gonna have fun. All right, hope everybody has a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe, share, and y'all have a wonderful day.